Welcome, warm welcome to the eDigital Conference on Shaping Tomorrow, 3D printing and its impact on IP. Let's get started and let's start our discovery journey. And let me welcome very heartily our President of the European Patent Office, Antonio Campinos.
It's fascinating because it's a game changer. It changes the rules of the game. It basically transforms consumers into producers or manufacturers. And the ability to produce at the consumer scale changes totally the rules of the game.
I would like also to welcome Christian Archambault, Executive Director of the European Union Intellectual Property Office.
Additive manufacturing technologies will require this holistic approach in Europe on IP rights to protect inventors, designers, but also other rights. That's why we all need to work together.
Turns out everybody has the same story. They have an idea, they have an invention, they have to sacrifice themselves to get that idea implemented in the world.
We are only seeing the beginning of innovation in that sectors, and that there is much more to come in the coming years.
Additive manufacturing will provide a great opportunity to participate in an emerging new economic model with decentralized production and distribution.
In this specific area, Europe is leading. So we have, more or less, we represent Europe 47% of the total of applications, and the remaining being divided in US, Japan, and the trend in terms of patents filed is accelerating as I speak.